Okay, in this video what we're going to do is create the delete command, and the delete command is actually pretty straightforward. All we need to do is verify that we have two arguments. The very first one, of course, is going to be the command. The second argument is going to be what node we're looking to delete. From there, all we need to do is make sure we can find that node as a transform node. Because remember, to delete a shape node, you have to delete the transform node that's tied to it. You can't just delete the shape node. So we'll verify that the node is indeed found, and if it's found, we'll simply remove the node. Otherwise, we need to set our output to be node not found and tell them that the node they've asked to be deleted can't be found. And that's pretty much it. So Logan, let's go ahead and create the command delete class.
All right. So once again, back to commands, where we'll add a new item. We'll use the command template, which should already be selected. And with that, we're going to be creating the command delete. So with our delete command, alright, first thing we need to do is we need to check the number of arguments and make sure that a node was actually specified. So we need to do a check on the argument's length and make sure that it is equal to 2.
Yeah.
Because we need of course, the command itself and then the node. So that's 2 actual arguments.
Okay, we can go ahead and throw the else in if you want and just set the output to say node not found.
So if the command was used improperly, the wrong number of commands, we could say
node not found, and then just, well, oh my bad, in this particular case we want to set the something along the lines of you must enter the name of a single node to remove. That sounds good. I'm kind of jumping ahead of myself real quick. My mind's still in the find world.
To remove.
Okay.
All right.
Now let's go ahead and jump inside here where my current train of thought is. And now what we need to do is find this node. So let's go ahead and define a node, transform node variable.
All right.
And let's set it to transform node.find and search for argument sub 1, which is going to be the name of the node we're looking to delete.
That's right. Now, if that's found, we want to make sure that we cast it to transform node in case we happen to stumble across a shape node.
That's correct. So now we can simply check to see if node is null or not. So if it's not equal to null, that means we found a transform node by the name of the node you're looking to delete. So all we need to do is tell that node to remove. So remove node, and that's it. Otherwise, we need to just set our output to simply say node not found. And then we can append to that argument sub 1, the name of the node, basically.
Right. So that if some invalid name was shown, that gets echoed back out. It can make the command more intuitive so that if a letter was missed, the user would have the chance to see that in the output.
That's right.
So node not found, and then the given argument. So argument sub 1. And I believe
that's pretty much it, though, once again, we cannot forget to register the command over in the command manager.
Let me first build, make sure that we haven't induced any errors, and everything is looking good. So now I can run over to the command manager.
And now we're getting into our editing commands.
So yeah, let's make editing command section, and I'll copy one of the lines. So what are we doing here? We need to use or instantiate a command delete, and we want to link that up to the word. Was it remove or delete?
Delete.
All right. And with that now, let's see, it's build, and we should be able to try this out.
Yeah, looks good.
So let's see, we've got...
just delete sphere. We're looking right at something. Delete.
And extra E, delete sphere.
LS.
List.
Ooh.
Sphere's gone.
Delete group. And no, not found, because group is a lowercase g. We need an uppercase. Blam. LS. Empty.
No, nothing.
Beautiful, because we deleted the entire hierarchy.
So if I put something back into the scene, we have a sphere. But if I try to delete, how about nothing? Just delete. Must enter the name. Well, that's good. Delete cat. No, not found. Cat.
Oh, it's working beautifully. All right, and delete sphere, and you'll see once again we have an empty scene. Fantastic. All right, that is all we were looking to do. I mean, if we go ahead and hop back over real quick to Visual Studio and jump over into the command delete, it really was simple. The bottom line is we just simply need to come in here and verify that we only have command delete and the argument or the node that we're looking to delete. Once that's been verified, then it's just a matter of simply setting up a node variable that holds a transform node and searching for the item that you want to delete. If we find it, remove it. Otherwise, say it's not there. And that's pretty much it. So with that, that is going to wrap up this video on the delete command. Thanks a lot.